penifo no bi age party de adi nsɛmhunu ɔmatietie nipa pii no na so they don't deserve to lead the party at this crucial time munyi omun sinchen na mun get new faces. I'm telling you, Sergeant,
party no enyi bi no mun sinchen
na obi a what
because somebody disappointing nkrofo na so my
somebody like regional minister, former regional bibia no here because minim ne ye ya o ma CID unit frame.
So about this why the personal
I was saying the personal because no the person ada or call round so it so say ni achievement ebi ne minerals commission dan no meboa mineral commission asase no so na dey talk and buy because almost say o say SB aton ho no sa town tia media phone bi ho kan ho me kan ya fa ho chem mo kan ho we media
but don't timi information
wo dey help anu you want
enya bibia na betimi di ma share nyama ha obi ya na manenya na de mfa me kusi
media phone bi say o say SB akoton city hotel wa asase and I knew very well when I was in KM minim me free us minim say on ontimi nton and am hear audio circulates enya fe some be kan bom say mu go say SB ani mase so on hear me say and they say oh yes me create fear and panic near the ama CID na police for no professionals room the then commander can you buana
yeah can
o say monfa tapes ni mra say you want me cause me tapes be 15 ago say me record ya the ama national security near the ama PNI near the ama police now bomb me the enti o me dey be case a chere o boy no say and Nana Senya was there no now where they say nye issue it was all can ask him this John I thought that Nana bedi dem nka bi nkyem panifo no na omo the position ni gu party no munyi omo free anim ho na mo pa afoforo koka no santiman koka na mo de ayi friend say kwasinti no ma be chichem fresh idea fresh faces
Chama kwasinti was up
first vice
original first vice
boy jubagidi
oh I see
na koka wo ha that's all so sometimes the koka frel na de na nya kra say ni osi ni wo ka no you will feel it oh okay chairman Mati oye party man so no oye party ache so it is John say see am to idea say John him aka de ba ko pe na me fa na me fa kwanya so nchana na mo amahene nana me chiawa wadaroma nana we de minim so otie na otie nkrai de me de fa so na de amayura ti say baby adu na ho no so oti na ni hweme emre bi a ohene Bob say John him said the whole wiase including woni JB ni moti ho nyina menkwa ni akwa otumfo abomidin wo badwam
na ye waka
unya bi
maminka semi waka yate
unya bi
Opooman
wa maka nyina disem ko buku appointment misuma muku na wabomidin nya ko no sase mo hwehwe ne mame me na Opooman ohene na say John tama me ben no ne nsem o kae no eno na me de me hu kosie kakra spirit ne o say say John ti o say Opooman ene na me kan o koma santeman yero ho koma santeman
87.9
no bia ni wa wakwa ma santeman nanim ayden egu asida o koma santeman sikadwa ta wachi na asem mi kire ohene bi no so Opooman wo de ne ye different wo de ne de ye different because normally panyin bi aba otumfo ne sere edi sikadwa kwata na chi ba oso de sikadwa ta wachi that means wo hu bibi wo hu se sikadwa ta wachi enti comments robia
ati Opooman
this is John me de ndia sikadwa ta machi na John ma afa na wo ma me kamasem wo bom buga ma me wie me nyama wo ba bia du no nana amama wadaroma otumi ra enche so me di bi ma kantankreche ni achi ame nana sikadwa na ta machi mako ache sisi akasika ohene
Opooman
kantankreche nana achi ame ne chi ame bonsu
na say asema wo dey for radio there
hey
David now what are you
David ohene beti hey wo mo de beko ane me nana mo amana me so madaro ma wotibura wo se na kwa me se sikadwa na ta machi makwa na zo nganje sikadwa aka sika na bi ompe kakra ma me
Banti
kakra ni ho
over PVC men
kakra ni ho
over PVC I say I will do everything in my power to stop coca